We are in the A terminal, or the A concourse, whatever it's called. There goes the train. Watch it go. Goodbye, airport train. Okay, so anyway, we've got some Montgomery Kone elevators, and they are currently getting modernized. Let that one go. There's two on this side, one on that side, or two on the, yeah. Oh, what? Look at that, looks like one's already modernized. Okay, we'll ride both first. So here's the new one. Wow. I didn't realize they were making this quick of progress. This is the new Terminal A elevator. Automatic operation. Funny that it specifies that. I wonder if I can take the bridge still. Is that still a thing? Wait, is it? It looks like it. Okay, good to know. But anyway, I'll take the bridge elevator, or the bridge back across to T, I think. So this one up. Well, let's get a quick picture of a quicture, if you will. Hold up. Don't leave just yet. Make sure I got that good shot. All right. This thing is so eager to leave. Now let's catch that one. So, oh look, you can actually see, look. Looks like they put in brand new call stations too. So look, here's the new one. Yeah, this looks brand new. The button's loose. Off to a good start, I see. Anyway. Looks like they're both on separate controllers right now. As you can see, this is the old button and it's got the old panel. And this cab looks completely different. What floor? No problem.
All A gates, so two, please.
Two? You got it.
Thank you very much. Unless you guys want to go up to the mezzanine and chill, which we probably should, but we'll go here.
That's a neat way of controlling it.
Yeah.
I wasn't gonna point the camera directly at it, obviously, but that. Oh, whoa. What the hell is this? Okay, wait, what? There's a service car. I didn't even know that exists. Very strange. This is probably the elevator room up here. No. There we go. What I was gonna say is that woman, obviously I was not gonna point the camera directly at a woman in a wheelchair, but it had this neat, I don't know, it was kind of neat. It was like controlled with levers. You cranked it and it moved the wheel instead of just turning the wheel with your hand. And I've never seen that before. Going down? Bridge is on 4.
Huh?
Bridge is on 4, right?
Yes.
What floor? 4?
2.
2. These are busy, busier than I expected them to be at Sunday night at 11 p.m., but, or is it 10? I'm not sure. Oh God, my bag is stuck. I'm gonna have to clip that part off. That part drives me nuts, gets caught on everything. Anyway, wow, the bridge is empty, minus one person. Anyway, that's it.